Good morning students. Welcome to your office automation lab for third sem IT. In the previous video class, I have completed the assignment 4, 5 and 6 and in this video class, I will cover the assignment 7. Assignment 7 is based on mail merge and mail merge is an important feature of MS Word. Through mail merge, we can send mail, email, personalized message to different recipient. Means we have to write a single letter and we can send to number of recipient through mail merge. So let's start. This is assignment number 7. Create a letter which must be sent to multiple recipient. Means we have to write a letter and we have to send it to different recipient through mail merge. Okay, mail merge. And the first question is use mail merge to create the recipient list, and second is use Excel sheet to enter the recipient. Means in two method we can create recipient list, and the third one is to create a directory format of mail merge. So these questions are based on mail merge. So first of all, we discuss about mail merge, what is mail merge and what are the basic steps for mail merge. Then we will do the questions. So first of all, what is mail merge? Mail merge is the method by which we can send email, newsletters and other personalized messages to many recipients. Okay, automatically it can send one by one. Okay, we have to write a single letter with the placeholder for the recipient and it can merge with every single recipient. So the basic component of the mail merge are, first we have to create a template file. The template file means which contain the main document or main letter that you want to send it to the recipient. The next is the data file. Okay, data file means the list, the recipient address list. Okay, it may be the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheet, any sheet having the personal information like name, address, email, phone number. Okay, and the third is the mail merge will add the data from the data file to the template file. This is the work of mail merge. So this is an example. This is a letter. Okay, and these are the placeholder which will change in every letter. And this is the data file, and mail merge will merge every record. Okay, every single recipient in template file and create 3 separate letter for each recipient. Okay. So now we write a letter for multiple recipient and we will write all the steps for the mail merge. For this I will write a letter for many recipients. So let's start. So I have written a letter in this document. Okay, and now I will send it to many recipients. So for this I will click on mailing tab and select start mail merge, and from this I will select step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, so the step by step mail merge panel have 6 steps, and the first step you have to select letter, or then after that starting document. Then it will ask how do you want to set up your letter. Use the current document, or you can choose from any existing document, or you can create it from the template. I am using the current document as my letter. Then the next one is select recipient, and for select recipient You can use any existing list. If you have the recipient address in a list, you can select it, or you can select from the Outlook contact, or you can type a new list. I will type a new list. Then click on create. This is the new address list. I have to fill up this. So I have to write some recipient title, then first name, then last name, and company, then address. Okay. Then for another entry, click on new entry. Then again you type the address, first name, last name, then company name, then the address, then again so I am giving the address. So I am just entering 3 recipient name. You can enter any number of recipient details. Then click on OK. Then save the file. Okay. I am n list. Then click on save. Okay. This is the list. You can edit it by clicking the edit option. Okay. You can you can sort it, filter it, or edit the address also. Okay. After that, I will enter the placeholder. So from address block, I am selecting the recipient name, then company name, then address. If you don't want anything, you can uncheck the box. I want everything, so I am clicking address block. After that, I want the greeting line. The greeting line is dear, or you can select 2. I am selecting the dear option. Then click on OK. Okay. So, and after that you can see the result, preview result. So first one is Mr. Manoj Barik. Then you can, the second letter is to Miss Anita Singh and Swati Naik, the third one. And after that you click on finish and merge. Okay. Then edit. Then click on all. Then we'll find all 3 documents having all the recipient name in the placeholder place. So this way you can create mail merge and you can create a new recipient list. Also we can use the MS Excel to create the recipient list. So the second question is all about the recipient list by creating in MS Excel. So let's start that. So to create the recipient list in MS Excel, we will start MS Excel. select Excel. Blank document. Okay. Here write the recipient list. So just type title, then last name, then last name, so this way you type the list in MS Excel. So these are the 4 number of recipient details I have typed with the headings, and I want to add this list data file into the mail merge document. So let us create a mail merge document. We have that document here. We have that document. So from starting mail merge, step by step, again I have to follow the step by step wizard. Then here use the existing list. Okay, so we have to save the list, the Excel list. I have saved it, and the name of address list, save. Then use an existing list. So select list. You have to select the Excel list, that is the add list, then open. Okay. If you want to edit it, then just select edit. Okay, I don't want to edit, then it will the reject. Okay. So by this you can add the data file from the MS Excel. So this is all about the MS Excel mail merge, and how can we use the type new list, and you can also use the MS Excel list in the mail merge option. So I have written all the steps. Okay, so just write down the steps. Okay, write down the steps and the output. Use mail merge to create recipient list, and use Excel sheet to enter the recipient list. Write down the steps and the output. Okay, so you have to write down the output, like this is the output. So you have to write the output in the right side of your copy. Then the next question, the third question, is use directory format of mail merge option. So directory format means it will write all the recipient address in a MS Word format. So let's start. So just click in a new document. From the mailing tab, click on start mail merge, then click on directory. Okay, then use a existing list. I am using the list, we have created it, or I have a list, new list, then open. Okay, then from insert field, I am entering the field I want to display, first name, then I want the last name, then company name, then address. Okay, so after that, just finish and merge. Okay, all name will display here. So just adjust it. The directory format will show the name in a document. So this is the output of directory format. I will send you all the steps. You just write it in your record copy, and this assignment complete all the assignment of MS Word. So please complete all the assignment of MS Word. Thank you.